Wassail is a beverage of hot mulled cider, drunk traditionally as an integral part of wassailing, a medieval Christmas-tide English drinking ritual intended to ensure a good cider apple harvest the following year. The word wassail comes from Old English wassail, related to the Anglo-Saxon greeting wes buhal, meaning be you hail, in other words, be healthful or be healthy. Later, the drink evolved to become a mulled cider made with sugar, cinnamon, ginger, and nutmeg, topped with slices of toast, and drunk from a large communal bowl called a wassailing bowl. Wassailing bowls were made from wood, pottery, or tin, and often had many handles for shared drinking.